If you're into speed, precision, and futuristic design, then the 2025 CFMOTO 675SS might just be the sport bike you've been waiting for. This isn't just another heavy bike in the market. It's a bold statement from CFMOTO that they're ready to challenge the big players in the supersport category. In this video, we're diving deep into the design, performance, and pricing of the 675SS, and by the end, you'll know whether this bike deserves a spot in your garage. Let's start with the exterior. Right off the bat, the 675SS grabs your attention with its aggressive styling. The bike features sharp, aerodynamic lines with a low-slung front fairing and a compact tail section that gives it a race-ready stance. The full LED lighting, including the signature C-shaped DRLs, enhances the futuristic vibe. Finished in a glossy black paint job, the 675SS looks menacing, sleek, and modern. The kind of bike that turns heads whether it's parked or flying past at high speed. The dual exhausts tucked under the tail, the sculpted fuel tank, and those premium wheels all speak the language of performance and style. Now moving on to the interior, or more specifically, the rider interface. The 675SS comes equipped with a high-resolution, full-color TFT display. This digital meter provides real-time information including speed, RPM, gear position, ride modes, fuel range, and even smartphone connectivity. The handlebar layout is clean and sporty, with clip-ons mounted low for a tucked-in riding posture, perfect for track days or spirited canyon rides. The switches and controls are backlit and easy to reach, showing CFMOTO's attention to rider ergonomics. The seating position is aggressive, but not overly punishing, striking a balance between sport and street usability. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, is where things get really exciting. The 2025 CFMOTO 675SS is powered by a brand new 675 cubic centimeters inline triple engine, making it the first of its kind from the brand. It pumps out an estimated 100+ horsepower, giving it serious credentials in the middleweight class. The bike features a quick shifter, slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire throttle, all of which contribute to a smoother and more responsive ride. Suspension is handled by fully adjustable USD forks up front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, tuned for both street and track performance. Braking is handled by dual radial-mounted front disc brakes with ABS, offering confidence-inspiring stopping power. When it comes to performance, the 675SS delivers a thrilling ride. The throttle response is crisp, the power band is broad, and the handling feels planted and precise. Whether you're cornering hard or hitting high speeds on the freeway, the chassis stays composed. It feels like a bike built for enthusiasts who want sport bike thrills without spending superbike money. Now let's talk about the price. And this is where CFMOTO really plays its trump card. While official pricing may vary slightly depending on your region, the expected MSRP in the US market is around $7,500 to $8,000. For a bike offering premium design, cutting-edge technology, and serious performance, this price point is impressive and disruptive. It undercuts many Japanese and European competitors by thousands of dollars, making the 675SS a value-packed option. In short, the 2025 CFMOTO 675SS is one of the most exciting heavy bikes to watch this year. It's got the looks, the muscle, and the tech to back it up, all wrapped in an affordable package. If you're in the market for a middleweight sport bike that feels fresh and futuristic, this might just be your next ride.
Thank you.